Let's see how to fix Fifa Mobile not loading or not working on Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, go to the settings of your device. Scroll down and find out apps. Tap on it. Search for FIFA. Tap on Fifa Mobile. Tap on Force Stop. Then tap OK. Tap on Storage. Tap on Clear Data. Tap on Delete. Now restart your phone. After the restart, open your Play Store. Search for FIFA Mobile. If you found any update available for your game, then update it. In my case, there is no update available. Once it is completed, tap on the play button.
EA Sports, it's in the game.
Tap on Confirm Download. I hope your problem will be fixed. That's it. Thanks for watching.